I would say the storytelling workshop and skill session. We had one when we first started first semester, and we had another one at the beginning of second semester, and that has been very impactful, because when we had it at the beginning of first semester, it was helpful in our marketing project, in pitching to our clients, pitching to the clients that would get to work with, and our ongoing engagement with them, just making sure that your message, and this was the essence of the skills session, that your message or your whatever it is that you want to communicate is landing with your audience. So it's not just about talking at them or dropping them facts or figures, but you're actually weaving a narrative that they can take home, and it stays with them. That has been really helpful, and the fact that I could take from that learning and apply it immediately into one of my modules, and even after that was really impactful.
Dr. Suzanne Ross's talks on emotional intelligence and resilience were also really, really good. We left those sessions with a lot of information, and again, information that we can apply, that will apply in the future. Well, the topics were around resilience and emotional intelligence. Again, two topics that I suppose come up in everyday situations, but understanding and how to control emotional intelligence was very beneficial.
Are you actually impacting the team, or you're just there you're just pushing the time essentially? Are you making impact? And I guess that's what the PPCD has been really helpful. It's not just about climbing up, but it's about being an actual well-rounded professional. So that's how it's really contributing to my consideration of my career.
Doing this module, I think I will leave and graduate in a good position to progress with my career.